Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm on live to teach you all how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. So the first and foremost thing is we need to log into Canva. So let us move on to Canva, and then you will have to say what you want to create. So I'm going to type here YouTube banner. Clicked. Okay, so you've got n number of templates. See, there are multiple color options are available, and also there are two methods to create this template. One is from the scratch using an empty template, and then you can create your own banner. Otherwise, the simplest form is to choose any of the template which is readily available in Canva, and you can add on and delete and whatever you want to do with the template. So let me explain you the first option, which is the ready-made template, and how we are going to do modifications in the template. So let us take, for example, let us take a very simple one. Yeah, I'll choose this lush space. So I've chosen this. Now I'm going to click here, customize this template. So I can customize it as and how I want to do that. So for example, first and foremost is, if I don't like maybe the font, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to use my own title, that is, let me say my own space. So I have done this. I can use the font to minimize or maximize according to my own interest, and also I can change the color of the font also. I'll go for something else and try. No, I can do change. And apart from that, there are some numbers given over there. Phone number, you can change it. If you want to give your phone number, you can do that. And if you want to share the like the account details of your Instagram, or else your FB account, anything, whichever you want. Now I don't want this leaves, so I can go select and delete also. This side also I don't want it. I'm going to elements, and I'm going to use some space material which is spaceship kind of thing. Let me check whether it comes good. So I have got one. I'm going to add here my own space, so I can add on this, and I can position it here also, right? And if in case if I want it, I can duplicate it and turn and then set it here accordingly. Now it is blue color, so this also area I want to change it to a kind of blue, so maybe I'll use this one. And this also I don't want to be as a leaves. I can go for deleting, and I can go for space, and let us see what comes up, like maybe something else. I want something relevant with the space, so I'll choose something. I think I can use this. No, I'll delete this, and I'll go and find out something. Yeah, I've got something very nice. So I can actually modify this, and then I can minimize this I can adjust it to fit here. I've done this. Now the final thing which I need to change is I can go to the photograph, I can delete the photo and I can paste my photograph in case if I want to. Let me write lady and let me choose yes, I'll choose somebody here and then I'm going to place it in the. Now how you can within seconds with the help of ready-made template, even this font also I can change the color to blue color, dark blue color, so that it matches with the theme. Now you can see here how within seconds I have made a YouTube banner with the help of the ready-made template which is available inside Canva. So might be sometime we are not much happy about the ready-made template available. For that what can be done is we can actually go to a blank template. Let me add a space. Let me change the color to this. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you how to go with blank template creating. Now the main thing which we have to notice here is this template sometimes it doesn't fit in your mobile. When you open your YouTube account, the banner sometimes partially visible. Maybe the right hand side end is not visible. When you use it in tablet, the setting is different. When you use it in a PC or laptop, the look is different, and when you use it in the mobile, the look is different. Now, like how to go for a template which fits better in all the gadgets. So for that I have a template which I will be using it here. I got it uploaded here. In case if you want it, you can in the live chat you can type there link or else the template. So I can share the template in the comment section itself. So I'm going to use this as a background to simple to do the settings here. Okay, now you can see the center part which is actually visible in your mobile, and the next gray area is the part which you will be able to see in the tablet, and the final one you will be able to see in the desktop or the laptop. So the simplest is we need to take the grid. To how to get the grid, go to file and go to setting, and there is an option show rulers and guides, or else you can simply click shift and R, then the grids will be visible. What I mean by grid is the topmost layer which has some numbers, 200, 400, 600, that is it. And also the left hand side also you have some grids. I'm going to fix the grid here. Now I'm dragging one grid here and I've fixed it here, and I'm next doing it here, and again from the left hand side I'm picking the grid line and fixing it here, so that we are fixing exactly how to customize it as per different gadgets. Again I'm going to fix it here, again I'm going to fix it here. Now this is clear to you. Now this you can actually, if you want, you can lock the positions. Now I have locked the position. I'll do the unlocking. Now I want to just want to remove the gray color. Let me go and unlock it. Now I want to remove the black color template. Now you can see the gray color part is removed and you've got the grids properly set in. Now how to do it? Now simple as that, you're going to click the color and you're going to choose a color which you wanted. Now let us go for, if it is a maybe some, if you want a good background also, you can go to elements and click for background. So let me check what background I'm getting. I'll go for a dark background. I can go and use it, and I'm going to set it as the background. Done. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to set the center page. For that first I need a, like photograph, my photograph to be shared. I can go for frames. I can choose the circle frame. I can minimize it and place it inside the area where it is visible inside the mobile. Again, I am going to go for a lady because we need the photograph of the person, right? And I am going to choose the photograph whichever is suitable for me. If you want to share your own photograph, that is very well and good to create a brand. So I am searching in case if I want this, I can go and then place it here. Now I think this is looking very dull, so I will go for a brighter one. So let me check something else. Yeah, here I think this lady which we chose okay, I'll choose this one. So I'm going to choose and then I'm going to place it. Now this is done. Now I want the name. So again I'm going to create my own space. I have done it. I'm going to place it here in the center. If I want, I can use and I can change the font also to make it bolder and bigger, and I can add on some effects over there to create more depth. Now here I can go for a white color or a blue color or let me check which one is suitable here. I think the maroon color will suit. Let me check the color. I can use the offset, increase it or decrease it. I can see the direction also, increase and decrease, and the transparency also increase or decrease. And I think I should go with white only. It is giving a good depth over there. Now here you can say what is this channel is about. Like I can say, to know all about space. Now I am going to place it here, and I'll definitely change the font. I'll go for some calligraphy font, dancing script. Yes. Then I'm going to increase the size of it. Now you've got it. I've got the name, I've got it. And in case if you want to add about, you want to add a subscription tag also, you can do that. You can go for subscribe button, and in case whichever is you're liking, you can use it. I think this is not good, so let me go for something else, very interesting one. I can remove the background. I've done, and I can also remove the color also. Let us wait for the background removal. Then the color can be matching with the blue color, so that if the theme is matching. Now this is done. Now we are going to reduce the size and place it somewhere here where it is visible. I'm sorry. I can reduce the size and I can place it somewhere here, or else here if you want to see it in the laptop version. Okay, done. Now what else? You can add some, how many days your videos will come. Maybe we can use a placard here, and that placard can be, let us see all, and then what we want to use, we can use it here. Let me check here. Yeah, I think this will be the best one, and you can actually reduce the size and you can put it here, which will be visible in the. Now we are going to add the text also, like twice a week. So this can be reduced, the size can be reduced, even the font can be changed. You can, yeah, this is twice a week, and change the color of the, I think dark blue will do. I have done. Now this is exactly what you have done, and in case if you want to add some, like element, like somewhat you want to add some design over there, you can always do that. Let us add some design here, like which will add an aesthetic element to your, but the color should match, right? So let us go for a blue color touch. See, within one click you can actually completely change the banner. Now here you have done everything. In case if you want to add on the icons for FB and Instagram, you want to tell them that visit my Instagram page, or for that you can again add on the icon of Instagram and make it in smaller size and move ahead. Here you can place it. This is actually not visible much, so we can go for this circle one, which will be added color to the part. Now this is one, and also if you want to add FB, Facebook, I can also, that also you can add on. Let me add that also to show you. Right, now I have added this also. Right, now we can actually minimize it, and you can write the account ID also here. For that again go to text and create. You can actually write at Instagram, whatever your Instagram account ID, that you can add on, and definitely I will reduce the size of it, and also the font will also be better one. Let me use the better one. Dancing script will be better. Yes. Now I am going to place it here. Again I am going to duplicate this to create the FB ID also. Here also you can actually go for Facebook. I have actually showed you the basic things to be added. Now it is up to you how you want to. This also, the frame is a little bit, color change can be possible, then we can go for that also. Let me check the color hue, and then I can add on some. See, I have added the light color blue, which is actually matching with the theme. This is how you can create a YouTube banner in a very simple way. It is actually very, very easy to do that using the Canva and all its elements and other options available. It is so simple to do, and I hope you liked it. In case if you like this live video, then click the button like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.